In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Protonmail Alias. If you're looking to keep your primary inbox private, reduce spam, or organize signups by service, aliases are a simple, powerful tool. An alias is an extra email address that delivers messages to the same inbox without revealing your main address. You can share the alias with apps, newsletters, or websites, and if it starts getting noisy, you can disable it without affecting anything else. Start by opening your browser and going to protonmail.com. If you're prompted, sign into your account as you normally would. Keep your credentials private and avoid entering them on unfamiliar pages. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new alias. Depending on your interface, this is typically labeled New Alias and may appear in your mailbox settings or address management area. If you don't see it, make sure your plan includes aliases and that you're viewing the correct section. When you click New Alias, you'll be asked to enter an alias title. This title is just for you. It's a friendly label inside your account that helps you recognize why you created the alias. Choose something descriptive and memorable like shopping, newsletters, or the name of the service where you plan to use it. Clear titles save time later when you're sorting mail or deciding which aliases to keep. Next, add a note. Think of the note as a quick reminder about the purpose and where you shared this alias. For example, used for travel bookings or signed up on a photo sharing site. Notes are especially helpful if you manage multiple aliases or revisit them months down the line and need instant context. Now click Create and Copy Alias. Creating finalizes the address, copying puts it on your clipboard so you can paste it immediately into a sign-up form or share it where needed. After you've copied it, consider pasting it somewhere secure for your records or save it in your password manager alongside the service you'll use it with. From this point on, messages sent to that alias will arrive in your Protonmail inbox just like any other email. A couple of quick tips to finish. If you notice unwanted messages coming through a particular alias, you can disable or delete it without touching your main address. You can also set up filters or labels to automatically sort mail sent to that alias, keeping things tidy. That's it. Easy, private, and under your control.